Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalokok swagotom jolaisu. So let's start. First ki koise? Okay. So government of Assam ki korise former MLA and actress Angurlata Dekak appoint korise as the new chairperson of the Assam State Commission for Women. Thik ase? Her appointment is for a term of up to 3 years. Eto mone rakhiba kiman dinor 3 years, up to 3 years. Thik ase? Two other members, dugoraki aru members appoint kora hoise, Kobita Roy Soikia and Nilima Brahma. Thik ase? Under the Assam State Commission for Women Act 1994. So eta MCQ koru. Thik ase? So who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Assam State Commission for Women? So kag appoint kora hoise Angurlata Dekak. Thik ase? Next, Battle of Alaboy. So Assam recently commemorated the Battle of Alaboy 1669 to honor the sacrifice of Ahom soldiers who resisted Mughal expansion. Hoy na? So Battle of Alaboy ketia hoisile 5th August 1669. So etia government ki plan korise to build a memorial at Alaboy near Dadara Kamrup. Thik ase? Eta memorial build koribole plan korise. Thik ase? Kot etu jagate Alaboy near Dadara Kamrup jot thousands of Assamese soldiers ki korisile nijor pran heruaisile. Hoy na? The remembrance aims to instill historical pride and educate future generation about Assam's resistance to Mughal invasions. ঠিক আছে? এটা MCQ চাও. Okay, consider the following statements regarding the Battle of Alaboy. So Battle of Alaboy বিষয়ে আমাক 4টা statement দিছে আৰু কোনগিটা correct হয় আমি চাব লাগে. First to কি কৈছে, the battle was fought between the Ahom kingdom and the Mughal empire during the reign of Ahom king Chakradhar Singha. তেতিয়া Ahom king কোন আছিলে? Chakradhar Singha আছিলে. So it is correct. Statement 1 is correct. ঠিক আছে? Second to কি কৈছে, the Ahom initially succeeded using guerrilla warfare but were later betrayed in the pitch battle resulting in mass casualties. This is also correct. ঠিক আছে? Third to কি কৈছে, the Mughal commander during the battle was Mir Jumla, who was defeated and killed at Alaboy. Etu incorrect hoy. Commander Mir Jumla nasile. Kun asile? Raja Ram Singh asile. Hoy na? Raja Ram Singh asile. So statement 3 is not correct. Fourth to ki koise, the government of Assam plans to construct a memorial at Alaboy to commemorate the sacrifices of Ahom warriors. Eta ki plan korise? Memorial build koribole plan korise government of Assam. So statement 4 is correct. 1, 2 and 4 only is the correct answer. That is option A. Next, Geeta Upadhyay, noted writer aru social worker, recently Padma Shri paise. Teo dia hoise teor residence in Telpur. Thik ase? Karon teo attend koribo noarile due to health issues. Thik ase? Health reasons or karone attend koribo noarile. And an award was presented to her at home by special team on behalf of the President of India. Thik ase? Eta MCQ sao. Geeta Upadhyay recently awarded the Padma Shri at her Tezpur residence, is renowned for her contribution in which field? Ki field asile? Teo writer asile aru social worker asile. So kuntu field hobo? Social work and literature hobo. Hoy na? Option B will be the correct answer. Next, the legacy of Lukopriya Gopinath Bordoloi, Assam's first PM and Bharat Ratna awardee. Ketia paisile Bharat Ratna? 99 ঠিক আছে মনত ৰাখিবা has been rekindled with the release of Assamese translation of the 1982 tribute book so এইখন বুক গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ এ ফ্ৰীডম ফাইটাৰ এখন 1952 ত ৰিলিজ কৰা হৈছিলে পাব্লিছ সৰি 1952 ত পাব্লিছ কৰা হৈছিলে ইংলিছ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত ঠিক আছে যোনখন এতিয়া আসামিজ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজলে কি কৰিছে ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰা হৈছে যাতে লোকেল মানুহখিনিয়েও তেওঁৰ বিষয়ে জানিব পাৰে ভালকে পঢ়িব পাৰে সো হেতু কাৰণে ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰা হৈছে ঠিক আছে The book, originally published in English shortly after his death, documents his immense contribution in India's freedom movement and Assam's political identity. ঠিক আছে এটা MCQ কৰো Consider the following statements regarding the tribute to Gopinath Bordoloi. Here are 4 statements. কোনগিটা correct হয় চাব লাগে first to কি কৈছে he served as India's first home minister and was instrumental in integrating princely states this is not correct তেওঁ first home minister নাছিলে কোন আছিলে first home minister Sardar Patel আছিলে হয় না so statement 1 is not correct Second, Duki কৈছে the book Gopinath Bordoloi a freedom fighter was originally published in 1952 English. Yes, কেতিয়া পাবলিশ কৰা হৈছিল originally 1952 পাবলিশ কৰা হৈছিল আৰু কোনটো ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত ইংলিশত পাবলিশ কৰা হৈছিল আৰু এতিয়া আসামিজলে কি কৰিছে ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰিছে হয় না so statement 2 is correct. Third to কি কৈছে its recent Assamese translation aims to make his contribution more accessible to people of Assam. This is also true. মই অলৰেডি কৈছো কিহৰ কাৰণে ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰা হৈছে এম টু কি ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰা মেইন যে তেওঁৰ বিষয়ে তেওঁৰ কন্ট্ৰিবিউশনৰ বিষয়ে আমাৰ লোকেল পিপল খিনিয়ে ভালকে নিজৰ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত পঢ়িব পাৰে বা জানিব পাৰে ঠিক আছে so statement 3 is correct 4 to কি কৈছে Gopinath Bordoloi was conferred the Bharat Ratna posthumously for his role in safeguarding Assam territorial integrity post partition ঠিক আছে this is also correct he was conferred Bharat Ratna posthumously ketia 1999 ot thik ase so statement 2 3 and 4 are correct that is option B okay next the Indian Navy and Republic of Singapore Navy recently concluded the SIMBEX 2025 that is Singapore India Maritime Bilateral Exercise kini sobe mono rakhiba thik ase ekini bahut important hoy marking yet another chapter in the long standing naval partnership the exercise featured ki advanced anti submarine warfare maritime surveillance tar bisot coordinated naval operation enhancing interoperability between the two navies so tar MCQ eta koru SIMBEX 2025 recently in news is a bilateral naval exercise between India and which country kuntu country Singapore that is option B ঠিক আছে next কি কৈছে মিশন কর্মযোগী So Arunachal Pradeshor CM Pema Khandue recently described কৰিছে যে mission Karmyog as a transformative movement rather than a mere training program. Eta simple training program নহয় but eta কি হয় transformative movement হিচাপে describe কৰিছে ঠিক আছে while inaugurating a 5-day capacity building initiative in Itanagar. The initiative focused on empowering government employee initiative to key focus kore eto mone rakhiba empowering government employees through ethical engagement citizen centric governance and leadership skills ঠিক আছে টাইম সিকিউ কৰো with reference to mission Karmyogi recently highlighted in Arunachal Pradesh consider the following statements there are 4 statements kongita correct hoy sabo lage so mission Karmyogi is limited to training of entry level government employees through online modules this is not true সব অফিচিয়েলছৰ কাৰণে হয়, not limited to training level, training of entry level, ঠিক আছে? So statement 1 is not correct. So কি কৈছে? It aims to inculcate a service oriented mindset and ethical values in public servants at all levels. This is true. Main aim to eto hoy. 3 to ki koise, the initiative includes the training in disaster response, financial management and IT literacy. This is also true. 4 to ki koise, it is implemented solely by the central government without state level adaptation. This is not true, not solely by central government, but state level adaptations are also adaptation to kora hoy, thik ase? Which of the statements are correct? To kuntu hobo 2 and 3 only, that is option B. Next, International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics is in collaboration, কাৰ লগত collaborate কৰিছে, ICAR লগত collect কৰি launch কৰিছে an AI powered climate advisory service for small farmers কি কৰিবলে to provide real time hyperlocal weather insight, ঠিক আছে, under India's monsoon mission 3. MCQ song. So who recently launched the AI powered climate advisory project titled AI powered context specific agromet advisory service for climate resilient agriculture at scale, that is ICRISAT, ঠিক আছে, option C. Next, FIFA and the All India Football Federation in collaboration with Government of Telangana কি কৰিছে, first ever FIFA Talent Academy for Girls launch কৰিলে, ঠিক আছে, ক'ত? Hyderabad, Telangana, ঠিক আছে. The academy part of FIFA's talent development scheme, কিহৰ part হয় এটো চাবা, FIFA's talent development scheme of part হয়, aim to কি কৰে, to nurture young football talent and provide pathway to the national and international stage, ঠিক আছে, এটো important হয়. First ever FIFA Talent Academy for Girls, এটো মনত ৰাখিবা, কোনে লঞ্চ কৰিছে, FIFA আৰু All India Football Federation কলেব কৰি পেলাই লঞ্চ কৰা হৈছে তেলেংগানা আৰু লগতে গভৰ্ণমেন্ট অফ তেলেংগানাও, ঠিক আছে. So India's first ever FIFA Talent Academy for Girls was recently launched in which city? That is Hyderabad, B, option B. Next, scientists from India and the UK have discovered a new, possibly the world's rarest blood group. এটা নতুন blood group discover কৰিছে আৰু world's rarest হয়, ঠিক আছে, একেবাৰে নাপায়, ঠিক আছে, named CRIB in a 30-year-old woman from Kolar near Bangalore. This blood group is classified under the Cromer blood group system. So etu monot rakhiba, classified under kuntu blood group system, Cromer blood group system, and falls under Indian rare antigen system recognized by the International Society of Blood Transfusion, ঠিক আছে. So the newly discovered rare blood group CRIB in India belongs to which blood group system? Chalu ami Cromer system, hoy na, eto mono rakhibo koso, Cromer system. Next, electric vehicle. So Niti Aayog release korise eta report title Unlocking a $200 billion opportunity electric vehicle in India on August 4, 2025. The report sets a target of 30% electric vehicle share in total vehicle sales by 2030 and highlights key strategies to accelerate adoption, including policy support, charging infrastructure, local manufacturing, and affordable financing. ঠিক আছে? The Niti Aayog reported the unlocking a $200 billion opportunity is related to which of the following sectors? Kuntu sectors asile electric vehicle sector to asile hoy na, option B. So here is your main question. Screenshot lobo para aru practice koribo para, thik ase? So that's all for today. Thank you.